Alright fellas, let's talk about something that doesn't get enough airtime, your daily routine. We all know routines can make or break your day, and sometimes, it's the little things you add that make the biggest difference. Whether you're a guy who's got his morning down to a science, or someone who's still figuring out what works best, there's always room for a smart upgrade. And that's where Eroxon Gel comes in. It might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. This isn't just another product to clutter your shelf. It's designed to fit right into your life and help you feel your best every single day. If you're new to Eroxon Gel, here's the scoop. It's a topical gel made specifically for men. And it's all about supporting your confidence and intimate wellness. Think of it as a little boost that helps you show up as your best self, both physically and mentally. But here's the catch. It only works if you use it right. So let's break down exactly how to make Eroxon Gel a staple in your daily lineup, so you can get the most out of it and see real results. First things first, make sure your hands are clean. Seriously, this is step 1. Clean hands mean you're not introducing any unwanted bacteria or dirt, which is especially important when you're applying something to your skin. Wash up, dry off, and then you're good to go. Taking a few extra seconds here sets you up for a smooth, effective application. Next, squeeze a small amount of Eroxon Gel onto your fingertip. And I mean small, less is more here. You don't need to overdo it. A little goes a long way, and using too much won't speed up the process or improve results. Gently apply the gel directly onto the area as directed in the instructions, usually along the skin, not anywhere internal. Make sure you're following the guidelines for where and how to apply, because that's how you get the best outcome. Massage it in for about 30 seconds, and let it absorb. Take your time here. This step helps the gel work its magic and ensures you're getting the full benefit. Simple as that. No mess, no fuss. You don't have to worry about sticky residue or complicated cleanup. Just a straightforward step that fits right into your day. Here's the thing, consistency is key. Like anything worth doing, the real results come from making it a habit, not just a one-off. I recommend making Eroxon Gel part of your morning or evening routine, whichever fits your lifestyle best. Set a reminder if you need to, or pair it with another daily habit so you never forget. Just like brushing your teeth or hitting the gym, regular use makes a difference. Over time, you'll notice the benefits stacking up and it'll just become second nature. Now I know some guys worry about using something new. It's normal to have questions or feel a bit unsure, especially when it comes to personal care products, but trust me, the process is quick, discreet, and designed to fit seamlessly into your day. You can use it without anyone knowing and it won't interrupt your schedule. You don't need a prescription, and you don't need to block out a chunk of time. It's as easy as picking up any other over-the-counter product, and you're in control of when and how you use it. 2 minutes, and you're done. That's all it takes to add this powerful step to your routine. A quick tip, don't use more than recommended. More isn't always better, and sticking to the right amount keeps things safe and effective. Sticking to the instructions is important for both safety and results. If you ever have doubts, just check the leaflet or the packaging for a refresher. If you notice any irritation or discomfort, stop using it and talk to your doctor. It's always better to be safe and get professional advice if something doesn't feel right. Everyone's skin reacts differently, so listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel, and don't ignore any unusual reactions. Eroxon Gel isn't a magic fix, but it's a smart addition to your routine if you're looking to take control of your wellness. It's about making small, positive choices that add up over time. Combine it with a healthy lifestyle, think exercise, good sleep, and balanced nutrition, and you'll be setting yourself up for success, inside and outside the bedroom. Remember, wellness is a whole package, and every good habit counts. So, that's the lowdown. Quick, easy, effective. With just a couple of minutes a day, you can make a real difference in how you feel and show up in your life. Make Eroxon Gel your daily essential, and give yourself that extra edge. It's a simple step that can help you feel more confident and in control every single day. Stay consistent, stay confident, and take care of yourself every single day. Remember, you deserve to feel your best, and it all starts with the choices you make in your daily routine.